Hey guys, I am Courtney B and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are an OG, thank you so much for clicking on this video and for always supporting your girl. If you guys are new to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click that subscribe button. It does not cost you a thing, and make sure you turn on your post notifications so that you will never miss an upload from me. In today's video, I am bringing you guys another DIY. At this point, y'all may as well call me Court the Builder, but I am going to be DIYing my own console table. I told you guys previously that I had a bunch of leftover scrap wood, so that's what today's video is all about. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and get started on building my table. Alright guys, so I wanted to quickly tell you guys, like always, I had my husband go ahead and pre-cut my wood for me, and he also decided to go ahead and sand it down. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started on putting everything together. So it's pretty much almost finished. I just had my husband help me put the bottom part off camera, and we just have to attach the top part as well. But I did want to let you guys know, I just like this little imperfections in the wood. I think it adds character to it, so I'm not gonna fill it or anything. I just wanted to show. But yeah guys, I'm gonna go ahead and attach the top. So it is the next day, and I just wanted to show you guys how the console table is looking right now. It has been sanded down off camera, and it's just ready to go ahead and be stained. But before I get started on that, I wanted to go ahead and start up on another little DIY project that I had in mind. It is actually to go above this console table. It'll just be on the wall, and I saw I got my idea from Pinterest. I saw something similar to this on Pinterest, and I figured that I could recreate the idea. So I just had my husband go ahead and cut some wood for me. This is not scrap wood. He actually purchased this wood from Lowe's, and we attached it, and I'll just show you guys how it looks on the back with it being attached. So yeah, all of the pieces are attached, and next up I'm just gonna go ahead and attach the little shelves, because I would like to have some shelves on here just so that I can go ahead and add more decor to it and personalize it a little bit more. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do right now. and I just wanted to show you guys how it turned out. So what I am gonna do is I'm gonna let the glue dry overnight. And then I did also want to point out to you guys, I do not care about the shelves being uneven. I actually wanted it to be uneven. So I like how that came out. And then the only thing left for me to do is just to go ahead and stain this along with my console table. But I'm not gonna do that right now. I actually have a few different options of stain that I chose from the store, and I just need to figure out which stain I like the best. So I'm just gonna test them out and let it dry overnight just on a piece of scrap wood, and then I will go ahead and get started on staining tomorrow. All right guys, so it has been a few days later and I got everything all finished, but I wanted to give you guys a disclaimer. I did stain everything on camera, but I lost the footage, so I do want to go ahead and tell you guys about the colors of stains that I chose. So for the shelf, I used the espresso stain, and I really love how that one came out. And then also for this table, I actually used the Varathane sun bleach stain, and I will show you guys how it looks. I picked this one up from Home Depot, and the shelf, that one was from Lowe's. I also wanted to tell you guys about this X. I wanted to put that on the console table as well. So I love how that turned out too. And then also, we just did a customized mirror. I had my husband pick up the actual glass. He got it cut at Lowe's for me, and yeah, we just made the frame and stained it in the same color that we used for the table. And then so far the only thing that I've done is just put a basket with some blankets on the floor right here. I'm not 100% sure of what I want to put on this side of the mirror. So if you guys have any suggestions, comment down below and let me know. But I am gonna go ahead and get started on decorating both the shelf and the table. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Decorated, I wanted to show you guys how everything looks. So I will start with the shelf up top, and I kept it pretty simple. Of course, I have to have a candle. My favorite thing is this letter board. I've wanted a letter board for so long, and I finally got my hands on one. So it was the perfect fit for that shelf. And I just wanted a little bit of greenery on the shelf as well. And then just a few signs and a lantern, and I think it turned out really good. Then next up, I just want to show you guys what I did with the console table. I'll start up top. I wanted to keep it pretty simple, so just some trees, some little Christmas trees, some candles, just to get into the Christmas spirit, and also some little Christmas trees as well. And then also I will show you guys what I did with the bottom. I really love the bottom. It's simple, but it looks really good to me. So I love this lantern. I actually found it, I think I found it at TJ Maxx. Everything down there I found it at TJ Maxx. So yeah, I just love how it all came together. And I know I wanted some black, so when I saw this ball, I think that's a ball. When I saw this ball and when I saw this lantern, I know that I had to have it. And I think that this down here tied it all together. So yeah guys, I love how it turned out. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Let me know what's your favorite decor piece. And also let me know if you guys like this stain option. I did have a bunch of stain choices in mind, but I really love how this one turned out. That's it guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.